What? Wow! Let's get on! For today's Big Toy review, we have here the Primal Hatch Jurassic World T-Rex! Big shout out to Richwell Club for sending us this Primal Hatch once again. Richwell Club, thank you so much. First of all, I do appreciate personalized yung box nila para kay Pinoy Toy Review. And then dito sa likod, may nakasilip. Yo! Alright! Here you can see agad yung dinosaur egg at the back, yung mga content sa loob. At the side, nakasilip na yung ating dinosaur, and at the other side, yung ating T-Rex. Now, first of all, hindi kayo mahirapan sa Primal Hatch na to. Kasi, meron talaga siya mga instructions kung paano nyo i-open yung box niya, even instructions hanggang doon sa loob kung paano nyo aalisin sa loob yung pinaka-dinosaur egg natin. It's time to hatch this egg. So, ito na yung dinosaur egg natin. Saan yung dinosaur? Wow! Ito na yung ating dinosaur. Take a closer look. Yan, ang ganda rin yung texture niya. Ganda rin yung mga paint up niya dyan. And meron siyang on and off button right here. On natin. Gumagalaw talaga. May interaction itong ating T-Rex. Wow! Wow! Meron 3 colors yung eyes niya. Pag green, that means he is happy. Yellow, that means neutral lang siya. And meron din siyang red. That means galit na siya. Now, this T-Rex comes with a clicker. Wow! Meron din siya ditong meat na kung saan pwede rin natin interact sa kanya and ipakain sa ating T-Rex. Ayaw niya kumain ngayon. Nagagalit siya. So go to your nearest Toys R Us or Toy Kingdom outlet for you to avail your very own Primal Hatch Jurassic World T-Rex!